It's go, 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 go time.
Have you got a variable rate mortgage and ever wondered why your rate's not going down despite the fact that interest rates have been going down the last few months? You're not alone. Today, we're going to delve into this with variable rate and adjustable rate mortgages. We're going to talk a little bit about the difference between the two and why your mortgage payment may not be going down despite the fact over the last 6 months that the key interest rate has gone down and the prime interest rates have gone down. So there are two types of variable rate mortgage. There's a plain variable rate mortgage, meaning you have your interest and your principal just like every other mortgage, but as the interest rate goes up, you end up paying less principal towards the mortgage. Your payment stays the same until you reach trigger point. When you reach trigger point, that means you are no longer paying any principal towards the mortgage, and the banks don't like that. So they will raise your payment to make sure you're at least covering your interest. Adjustable rate mortgage, an ARM, will means that you will always be paying the same amount of principal to your mortgage no matter what the interest rate is. So as the interest rate goes up, your payment will go up at an equivalent amount. So you will be always paying principal off on your mortgage no matter what. Those are the two key differences between, or that is the key difference between a variable rate mortgage and an adjustable rate mortgage. So back to the question, why isn't your rate going down? So banks like Scotiabank, monoline lenders like RFA, Marathon Mortgages, First National, they have systems in place that as the interest rate goes up, it will make that automatic adjustment for you, and as the interest rate comes down, it will do the same. So you will go back down to where you were as the interest rate goes down. Other banks, RBC, has a program in place that you will automatically be paying $5 towards principal no matter what. So as the interest rate goes up, you reach that trigger point, it will raise your payment, so you're paying $5 principal towards your payment. TD, CIBC, BMO, they all have similar programs to make sure that you will be at least covered on your interest and you will not be building more debt as the interest builds. Now, those four banks, what they don't have is a system where you will automatically drop as the interest rate comes down. It will keep those payments up there. They will not, there's no algorithm to bring it back down as the interest rates come down like they're doing now. Can you do this manually? Can you go into the bank and say, I would like to go back to where I would like to readjust as the rates come down? Yes, you can. It can be a time-consuming and paper-heavy process, and the bank has the right to say no. Will they? I don't know. I mean, every bank is different. Every bank has their own specific set of guidelines. But is there a silver lining to this? Maybe. I mean, if that payment stays up there, you're paying more towards your principal as the rates come down, and you can pay your more, or at least catch up to what you lost over the last couple of years as the rates went up. If you're struggling with the higher payments and you're looking for outs, there are options out there. Can you refinance? Yes, absolutely. Let's go take a look at it. If it's just a matter of what that you're paying what you are, you're not as much going to the principal as was before, you can voluntarily add more money to your mortgage at any point in time. Anybody can add up to 15% on most mortgages most of the time per year without any penalty. So some of them allow up to 30. So those are always options for you out there if you're looking to get back to where you were. Those are always options. And back to the main question, when will my mortgage go down? It may not. Simply put, your mortgage payment may not go down depending on what bank you're with. But there are options out there. So if you have any questions, if I can help at all, you know where I am. Give me a call. Let's talk about it and see if we can help you get you out of the situation you're in. Everybody have a great day. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and share this video.